Hi guys, today we will talk about how to disconnect accounts on your Twitter app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you click here on settings and support, then it's going to show for you this here, and you just click here on settings and privacy, and you come to a next window here. All you have to do now, so just click here on security and account access here, and it's going to take you here in this window. You click here on connect accounts, then you click here on disconnect here, disconnect here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and here you add your password and you click here, and it's going to disconnect with you on your Twitter app. So that's all you have to do, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.